Hi, Casey. How have you been?
Good. How have you been?
Good. Good so far. I mean, school's still going, so.
Right. I feel you.
How was spring break?
It was good. I went to Colorado and I got to hang out for like a week. It was so nice.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Did you practice any golf?
A little bit. I couldn't do many full swings because there was still snow on the ground.
So
So
it's still cold over there.
it's still cold.
Lucky it's hot here.
Definitely.
Very hot. So you did some putting? What kind
Yeah.
of drills did you end up doing?
I did the 2 tee drill where you have to hit the tees and make sure that it's square and not like hitting one before the other or whatever. And then I also used the metronome and worked on tempo.
Nice. Perfect.
Yep.
Okay. So I know not last week, 2 weeks ago, we did a bit of full swing. So with full swing, I know we worked on not reaching for the ball
Mhm.
and instead letting our arms dangle and then gripping the club. So we feel more free and more relaxed. So
Yeah.
we're not towing the ball because we also worked on a lot of contact,
Definitely.
which everybody needs to work on contact. It's insane. So we worked on, instead of hitting it on the toe, hitting it more center, and instead of hitting it thin, trying to also hit it more center,
Definitely.
which comes and goes, of course. It just needs
Right.
practice. I know we also worked on, instead of taking it back, like taking it forward and then back, we worked on just taking it back all as one,
Yes.
instead of already making a little hinge right there to make it more complicated, or
Right.
to make the swing less complicated. So I know that is a habit, so it'll take
Yikes.
a little bit to break, but it's okay. I just want to see overall how everything's going, so I figured today we work on probably some more approach shots.
Perfect. That sounds
Cool.
great.
What distances do you usually get stuck with for your approach shots?
Somewhere between 85 and 100.
Okay, cool. So the blue flag up there is 85 yards
Mhm.
from where we're probably going to be standing. And then a little bit after, we'll measure it, but a little bit after will probably be 100 yards.
Okay.
So as long as we can get in between those two, and then we'll probably go a little bit shorter too, just in case.
Mhm.
When you do approach shots, do you usually miss like long, short, right, left?
I'm almost consistently short.
Okay. That's not a big problem. Everybody's usually a little bit short.
Right.
They underestimate the distance.
Right. And then green elevation makes a difference or something.
Sometimes,
Right.
So we'll definitely work on that. Try to make our approach shots a little less short.
Mhm.
So then instead of chipping twice, we only have to get on the green once.
Perfect. That sounds great.
Okay, cool.